Hi guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while now, but I've got a huge new thing for you, and it is the updated br.st version 2. I reviewed this a while back. It was just a URL shortening service like tinyurl and bit.ly and such like. But now it's been highly updated, and it's now using the Twitter API to basically be a full Twitter client online without having to download anything, and I thought it was absolutely great. And their team have been very cooperative and allowed me to do a video review now, so I'm going to walk you through some of the new features on br.st, otherwise known as Burst. So, when you go on, normally you'd get the display that shows you can shorten the URL and all that. But now you just get this home page which shows you all of the new features, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to go through these, I'm going to show you myself. I've got lots of notes here, so I will be able to show you. Right, let me just log in. Right, so now I'm logged in. You can see it is very much like Twitter. It's all based on the API, so it displays all of what I would normally see when I was on Twitter in the first place. So if you look at my Twitter here, then you can see basically this is exactly the same as br.st, but obviously this has a lot more features which you can use. So I'm going to take you through some of the features now. Obviously you've still got URL shortening with also real-time graphical data as you had before. So for instance, I've got Apple TV. I was just checking it out, the new 3.0 update I believe. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go like that. It says shortening link, and it has automatically shortened the link for me. And it shows me a little preview here on the side as I scroll over it, and it shows what it links to, and you can undo that, you can do anything like that, which is very quick and very handy. What you can also do from here is add images, so you can directly upload to br.st. You can add files directly upload to br.st, which is also handy, or you can just view the ones that are already up here. So for instance, if I just get rid of that, and if I go down here, I'm going to show you some of the things down here now. You can expand the links to actually show the full link. So here we go, the long link, that's the actual link, the unshortened one, which is, you know, always nice if you want to see where the link is actually taking you, because lots of people use these bit.ly and such like, so you can actually expand these links to see where they actually go to. This one goes to Guardian, so you can actually see the websites that it goes to. From here you can access your direct messages, your favourites, lists, mentions, and even your retweets, all in separate sections. So it's all very well thought out, and you've still got all of the trending topics and those sort of things on this side. Something like this. Let me just show you a little example here. You can click on that, and it shortens the text like that. So basically what it's just done is it's taken you, and it knows that you can shorten you to just the letter U. So it's done that, and it's given me 70 characters back, even though it was all gone. So I'm just going to try that again with Chris Perillo's one, because I think it would have worked actually. Let's click that. Yep, it's been shortened. 4's been replaced with 4. I think you can undo that. So that's given me back just 4 characters, but every little helps, and this is a very handy feature for when you reach that limit and you think, oh no, and then you have to go all the way back through it and check everything. With br.st, you just click that button and it does it all for you, all automatic, all pretty much. That's it. You don't need to do anything. So also you can see your links from here. One of my recent links was obviously to Apple TV, and you can click the real-time graphical stats, so you can see the little preview here, and you can see all of the, you can actually see the graph which will load now. It's loading, and it will show me a graph of how many clicks it has had since then. Obviously it's showing none because I didn't actually tweet that, but you'll be able to see real-time stats, which is updated live, and you can see all different options here for you actually to see how many people have gone to your link. So I think that's a very, very good feature, and you can see all your refers, the locations the people are from, and it shows all of the content types, keywords, and it shows you the full link and a preview. So you can see absolutely everything here that you need to know, really. It shows you your images as well. If you upload any images, it shows them here, shows you your files here, and it shows all of your tweets here. When you're reading tweets, you can actually see inline previews of all of the things that are embedded in. So now I'm just about to tweet this so I can show you it. It's automatically shortened my link for me as well, which is handy. So it says posting that tweet now, and then when it's actually been tweeted, you can see a preview of it, and you can actually watch the YouTube video here.
Hi guys, I'm here today.
Brilliant. So you can watch all of the videos on the site without actually having to go directly to the link to YouTube. Just bear with me a moment while I try and do it with an image as well. So I've just posted another tweet, and it's showing a preview of the image that I uploaded to TwitPic. It's showing an inline preview there, and these inline previews support all sorts of sites. They have full support for all of the major ones, such as TwitPic, YFrog, all of those sort of sites for that, even if you don't upload it straight to br.st. And it also supports files on here as well for other people to use. And with videos, it supports all of the major videos as well: Vimeo, YouTube, Yahoo videos, and there's so many more. There's so much that you can do with it. And if you upload images directly to br.st, you can it also has automatic geotag settings, so that it automatically uses maps. And if not, you can actually add a little map to your video, to your image, sorry, once you've uploaded it, so you can show where it was taken, and cool little things like that. So there are a huge host of features with this, and if it doesn't have any geotag data attached to the picture, like I said, you can do it manually yourself. So there are lots more things that you can do with your pictures rather than just uploading them. So also another neat feature here is open conversation. So TweetReese here has just pointed out an error in one of my tweets. Fair enough. So what I'm going to do is open this conversation, and what that does is then shows what I sent. So it shows the tweet that I said in the error. So basically, if you've got a long conversation going with like @replies, you reading it and you say you forget what you was talking about. So say if I posted, I'm getting some new speakers, and then I got a reply from TweetReese saying, "Oh, what kind?" If that was a couple of days later, I may have completely forgotten. I might have no idea what he's talking about. So this is handy for those sort of things. They're small features, but they do add up. And also with the br.st link shortening, what's handy is if you have a link like this, instead of trying to find your stats, you just copy your link, paste it in the title bar, and add a plus sign to it. Press enter, and it will take you directly to the stats, which will show you all of the graphical stats like I showed you earlier. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to show you the neat new features of br.st version 2. I advise you to at least try it out because it's an excellent service. The guys there have worked very hard on it, and the customer support is outstanding. So I recommend you follow them on Twitter and check out their service because it is brilliant.